Accidentally deleted that once-in-a-lifetime video from your PC? In today's video, we'll walk you through how to recover permanently deleted videos from your Windows computer, including methods with and without backups. Before jumping into recovery, let's make sure the video file's actually gone. Method 1. Search your computer. It might have just been moved. Hit start, type the file name. Or just type MP4 or MOV if you don't remember the name, only the file type. If you still got nothing, check the recycle bin. If you didn't use Shift+Delete, it might still be there. Just right-click and restore. Method 2. Use a data recovery tool to bring back videos that were permanently deleted. If it's really gone, it's time for recovery software. There are a lot of options out there. But in this video, we'll show you how it works with Disk Drill. Our team tested a bunch of tools, and Disk Drill handled video recovery really well. Plus, its preview feature is easily one of the best in this space. First, download and install Disk Drill. If possible, don't install it on the same drive where your videos were lost, that gives you a better chance. Launch it, pick the drive, and click Search for lost data. Once the scan finishes, click the Videos tab or Review Found Items. Preview the videos. If you found what you need, check the box and hit Recover. Finally, save them to a different drive if possible. That's it. It really is that simple most of the time. But your chances depend on a few things, like how much you've used the drive since the videos were deleted. Or if you're dealing with an SSD, where recovery gets trickier. So, no guarantees, but in our experience, it usually ends on a good note. Method 3. Use a file history backup. Now, let's try backup options. One built-in feature that pretty much everyone already has on Windows 10 or 11 is file history. It automatically saves older versions of your files. So if it was turned on, you might be able to roll back and get your video back. First, search File History in the Start menu. Click Restore Personal Files. Browse to the folder your video used to be in and click Restore. Done. If you don't see anything here, it means file history wasn't active before the deletion happened, or the video was saved in a folder that wasn't being backed up. Method 4. Restore permanently deleted videos from a cloud backup. If you use cloud storage like Google Drive, you might be in luck. Even if the video's not in your main folders anymore, it could still be in the trash. Just go to drive.google.com, look at the sidebar, and click on Trash. If you find your video there, right-click it and hit Restore. Google Drive usually keeps deleted files for up to 30 days, unless you emptied it manually. Drive's trash is separate from your Windows recycle bin. So even if you cleared it on your PC, the video might still be sitting safely in the cloud. We hope one of these methods helped bring your permanently deleted videos back. Everything we showed works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and even older systems like Windows 7. Now, moving forward, here's the part nobody likes to hear, but it matters. If you haven't already, set up some form of backup. Or better yet, combine two. Like File History plus Google Drive, or OneDrive Sync plus an external drive. That way, even if something goes wrong, you're not starting from zero. If you found this guide helpful, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. Your feedback means a lot to our team. It helps us keep making better guides that solve real problems. Thanks for watching, and remember, back up your data.